The evolution of dentures, from animal teeth to modern prosthetics. Dentures are employed for a long time for replacing missing teeth, as well as restore the beauty and function that the mouth. Dentures' origins is traced back to prehistoric times when people utilized a range of material to construct makeshift teeth. From animal teeth to contemporary prosthetics, evolution of dentures is an amazing experience. Animal teeth as dentures. One of the first forms of dentures made tooth of an animal. The ancient time was when people used tooth from animals, including ones from pigs, cows as well as horses, to substitute missing teeth. The teeth of animals were usually made into shapes and designs that resembled human teeth. They were attached to the gums by using the use of adhesive or wires. Animal teeth are readily available and inexpensive, but they weren't necessarily the most suitable alternative to make dentures. The teeth of animals were more prone to decay and could not properly fit into the mouth. This led to discomfort and difficulty in chewing. In spite of these issues, they remained an acceptable form of dentures throughout the ages. The rise of wooden dentures. As the development of civilization accelerated, so did the types of materials that were used in dentures. Since the 16th century, dental dentures made from wood were popular with those of the upper class. They were typically constructed from ivory or boxwood and custom-made to fit in a particular person's mouth. The dentures made from wood are more durable than those made of animal teeth. They were carved or made to suit the dimensions and shape of the person's mouth. But dentures made from wood had their difficulties. They were heavy and painful to wear and were often cracked or warped in the course of time. Even with these limitations, they remained popular for many centuries until newer materials became readily available. The porcelain dentures. In the late 18th century, porcelain became the denture-preferred material to make dentures. The material was durable and natural and was able to be molded into the shape of the person's mouth better. The porcelain dentures are also healthier as compared to animal teeth or wooden dentures because they were not prone to decay or absorption of food videos. The popularity of porcelain dentures was quickly gaining with the elite and were seen as a symbol of wealth and prestige. Dentures made of porcelain were brittle and susceptible to cracking, which makes their maintenance expensive. However, despite their fragility, dentures continued to be popular through the early 20th century, which was when newer material was introduced. The development of modern prosthetics. In the 20th century, the advancement of materials transformed the practice of dental care. Acrylic resin and alloys of metal have been introduced to make dentures less heavy, stronger, and more pleasant to put on. The modern prosthetics were made to match the user's mouth exactly and were created to be akin to the style and the feel of the natural teeth. Modern dentures have also made use of technological advances, including 3D printing and digital imaging, which enabled the most precise and accurate fittings. Dentists were able to create dentures that did not just look natural but also functioned as real teeth. They allow patients to speak and chew without discomfort. Today, dentures continue to develop with the introduction of new technologies and materials. Implant-supported dental dentures, secured to the jawbone with dental implants, give the most stable and secure wear than traditional dentures. Flexible dentures, which are made of more flexible and soft material, feel more comfortable to wear and less likely create sore spots and irritation. The future of dentures looks positive, as is the continuous research and development that focuses towards creating more natural and comfortably fitting prosthetics. Ceramic or composite resins are under investigation because of their inherent aesthetic appeal and long-lasting properties. Modern advances in digital dentistry as well as computer-aided design allow for greater precision and efficiency in dental fittings and more favorable results for patients. As a conclusion, the development of dentures from the animal tooth to contemporary prosthetics is evidence of the progress made in dentistry throughout the years. From simple and uncomfortably fabricated options to more sophisticated and natural prosthetics, dental implants are making strides to improve the lives of patients who are missing their teeth. Thanks to continuous innovation and study, the future of dentures promises to provide many options to people looking for a replacement tooth.